Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. One of the things that makes Minecraft fun for players is the great graphics. With shaders, you can add more visual effects to the platform, such as realistic shadows, improved lighting, weather effects, and more. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of installing Minecraft shaders on your computer. Let's go. To install shaders in Minecraft, you need an optimization mod tool. But before that, make sure you have the Java Runtime environment running on your computer, as the tools needed for modding are jar, or Java archive files. To install Java, go to java.com and download the executable file for your computer's operating system. Once downloaded, double-click the file to start the setup and follow each prompt until Java is installed on your computer. Next, install Optifine in your PC. Optifine is a popular and widely used Minecraft mod that allows users to add more graphical enhancements to the game, one of which is the installation of shaders. You can download the tool from optifine.net/downloads. Note the version, as you will need it later to download compatible shaders. After downloading, double-click the jar file and hit Install to confirm. Once Optifine is installed, prepare your shader packages. For more information, go to curseforge.com/minecraft/shaders. CurseForge hosts a variety of shaders that you can choose and download for free. You can browse through the list and explore each feature, or use the search bar if you already have one in mind. After selecting a shader, navigate to its Files tab and filter the downloadable versions for Optifine. Make sure you download the shader pack with the version that matches your Minecraft to avoid compatibility issues later during setup. Finally, open the Minecraft launcher and select Minecraft Java Edition. Choose the Optifine profile from the drop-down list and click Play. Next, go to Options and find Video Settings. Open the Shaders menu and click on the Shaders folder below to open your system folder. Locate and drag the downloaded shader pack into Minecraft Shaders folder. Then go back to the Minecraft window. Click on the shader you imported to reload the game, and confirm your modifications with Done. After that, start the game, and you will see a noticeable difference in Minecraft's graphical display. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.